Welcome to this AutoCAD course. Here we will briefly present what you will learn in this course. This course is aimed at laymen in AutoCAD, and also for people who already have a notion of the software. Because the course has important information for the professionals' good training. This is a basic AutoCAD course, so you'll learn from where to get the software and install, to create complete drawings for printing. AutoCAD has hundreds of commands and functions. But this course will give you the fundamental thing for you to be able to create technical drawings in 2D so that you can join a company. The fundamental thing is to have a sense of technical drawing. The course is divided into modules, and each module there are classes, practical examples, suggested exercises and challenges, solutions and follow-up questions. It's several hours of video lessons, so following these didactic elements, at the end you will be able to create any kind of drawing. If you already know AutoCAD, you can watch directly the topics that matter or you can search your question. What will I learn in each module? Module 1 deals with the use of the course, recommendations and installation of AutoCAD. It is in Module 2 that you will put the hand in the past. You will learn about the AutoCAD environment, how to manipulate files, some features for viewing, creating and editing, the important coordinate system, Cartesian and polar, units of measurement and some precision tools, as well as of course exercises and some questions. In Module 3 you will see many essential features, such as selecting objects and editing such as grips and tools for moving, rotating and copying objects, creating layers and default file the template, exercises and solutions. In Module 4 there will be several commands for creating objects and editing, allowing you to create more elaborate drawings. Different techniques for breeding low plants and also proposed exercises will be shown. In Module 5 you will learn more commands for creating and editing drawings to facilitate the professional's daily life. You'll see commands to create rounds, chamfers, create mirrors, scale, stretch and align objects, create reference points, replicate objects in standardized shape, apply hatches, and more. They are essential subjects for you to do any kind of 2D drawing. The module also has practical examples, exercises, challenges and solutions. Module 6 deals with some auxiliary commands and in-depth features on foot, inch and fractional units of measurement. The precision and tracking tools, object selection, reordering objects, groups, and others. In Module 7, we will enter the detailing of drawings, inserting texts, creating blocks, attributes, tables, in order to create the drawing sheet and its details. It will also be seen how to leverage parts of a drawing to use in another file, using file insertion features. In the last module you will see how to scale the drawings, setting the quotas and preparing the drawing for printing. In this way you will learn the basics of AutoCAD in a very practical way by learning the commands as well as the drawing techniques to create various geometries, giving foundations for you to create any type of drawing in 2 dimensions. We appreciate your interest and wish you to be part of the students in this course.